Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add shortcut on Google Chrome. So here are all the shortcuts I have in my Google Chrome. And then if you want to add one, so for example, you want to add Twitter, so just search for twitter.com, and then you want to copy the URL, then go back to your home page and then click add shortcut, and then here you can add the name. So for example, I'm just gonna put Twitter, and then here you can put the URL, so just paste it, then click done, and then there you have it. I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.